and still dial a phone.
What's that?
What's what?
Behind your back?
You mean this?
Put your hat on, boy. Show some company pride.
Company pride, of course.
SpongeBob,
Yes?
have you always had 3 legs?
Yes?
Interesting. Well, what's this about a splinter that Squidward's been telling me all about? All right, boy, let's see it. Come on, SpongeBob. It's just a little splinter. I mean, how bad could it get? Oh, merciful Neptune. Ah, okay. No problem. No problem. Problem. Whew. For a second there, I thought I was gonna have to pay a workman's compensation.
What's workers' compensation?
You know, when you get paid for sitting at home.
You mean I can get paid while I'm at home?
Yeah, what do you think conversation stands for? Squidward.
I get my conversation now.
Sorry, Squidward, your shift ended over 2 minutes ago.
Aren't dentist offices fun? Oh, they've got colorful wooden beads on wires. Oh, look at it go!
Slow down, SpongeBob. This place is scary enough without you going crazy with the beans.
That was the incidentals with the startling number called Dramatic Music Stings. Coming up, here's the Spookers with a haunting little tune called Ominous.
Patrick Star, we're ready for you.